welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into one of the WordPress hosting platform called Pagely. So here's the breakdown. Starting with the review, the pros and cons about this hosting website called Pagely. So here's the breakdown. Pagely is a premium managed WordPress hosting platform built for business, agencies, and high traffic sites that need rock solid performance and enterprise grade reliability. It offers fully managed hosting with automatic update, built-in caching, global CDN, strong security features, staging environment, and expert support, all designed to take the technical burden of your team so you can focus on growth instead of server maintenance. Pagely infrastructure, often powered by AWS, deliver the fast load time and scalability, making it a go-to for brands that can't afford downtime or slow site performance. That said, Pagely pricing is significantly higher than typical shared or mid-style managed WordPress hosts, so it's not the best fit for small blog or budget conscious user. Some features can also feel more advanced than what basic WordPress sites actually need. So in my opinion, Pagely is one of the best managed WordPress hosting solution for business and high traffic sites that want top tier performance and support, but smaller sites might prefer stable managed hosts that still offer solid speed and security. And that's it. Don't find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.